Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with all of you today.
Hi, Mike. Did you have a good weekend?
I did. I had a really great weekend.
That's wonderful. I'm curious, what did you do?
Well, on Saturday, I went to the beach with some friends.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was perfect. We swam, we played volleyball, and we watched the sunset.
That sounds like a perfect beach day. Did you stay all day?
We did, from morning until evening. What about your weekend?
Mine was different. I stayed home on Saturday. I cleaned my apartment and read a book.
A relaxing day at home. Sometimes that's exactly what you need.
Yes. Then on Sunday, I went hiking with a friend. We walked for about 3 hours and saw a beautiful waterfall.
That sounds really nice. You know, Sophie, I just noticed something.
What did you notice?
We're using past tense for everything. I went, I did, we played, you stayed.
You're right. When we talk about last weekend, everything is in past tense.
Because the weekend already happened.
It's finished. It's in the past. So we use past simple.
Some of these verbs sound different, though. Like go becomes went?
Yes, some verbs change completely. We call them irregular verbs. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate.
So I eat pizza today, but I ate pizza yesterday.
Perfect. And some verbs are regular. They just add ed, like play becomes played.
Oh, so stayed is regular, but went is irregular.
You've got it.
So after the beach, we were really hungry. We went to a seafood restaurant.
Oh, nice. What did you eat?
I had grilled fish and shrimp. It was delicious.
That's irregular too. Have becomes had.
Yes, I have lunch today, but I had dinner yesterday.
You're learning fast. What about Sunday?
Sunday, I rested. I stayed home, I cooked, I watched TV. Very lazy.
After your busy Saturday, you needed rest.
I really did. Tell me more about your hike.
Well, we started early, around 8 a.m. The trail was beautiful, lots of trees and fall colors.
Did you take pictures?
Of course, I took so many photos of the waterfall.
Took. That's the past of take, right?
Yes, another irregular one. Take becomes took.
Sophie, if I want to ask someone about their weekend, I say, what did you do?
Exactly. We use did in the question.
Did you have fun? Did you go anywhere?
Perfect. And notice the verb stays normal after did. Not did you went, but did you go.
Because did already shows its past tense.
Exactly. You can also just ask, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? Simple and natural.
Very natural. That's what people say on Monday mornings.
Right. Everyone asks that on Monday.
Did you do anything else on Saturday? Just beach and dinner?
We also listened to some live music. There was a band playing near the restaurant.
That sounds fun. What kind of music?
Jazz. We sat outside, we listened to the music, we drank coffee.
What a perfect evening.
It really was. What about Sunday, after your hike?
My friend and I were so hungry. We went to brunch.
Where?
That new place downtown. I ordered avocado toast and she ordered pancakes.
Was it good?
So good. We waited for a table because it was crowded, but it was worth it.
I need to try that place.
Mike, we're using so many common past tense verbs today.
Like which ones?
Went, ate, had, took, made. These are verbs we use all the time.
Played, watched, stayed, listened.
Yes, and notice the ed ones are easier to remember.
Because they follow a pattern. Just add ed.
Exactly, but the irregular ones, you just have to learn them.
Go, went, eat, ate, have, had, make, made, take, took.
Good. The more you use them, the more natural they become.
Sophie, what if something didn't happen? Like, I didn't do something.
We use didn't, which is did not.
I didn't go to the movies?
Perfect. And the verb stays normal after didn't.
I didn't stay out late. We didn't eat at home.
I didn't watch TV on Saturday.
Same as questions. Didn't shows its past, so the verb stays normal.
Exactly. You're understanding the pattern. Mike, we're using a lot of time words today.
Like what?
Like yesterday, last weekend, on Saturday, on Sunday.
These tell us it's in the past.
That's right. When you hear these words, you need to use the past tense.
Last week, I visited my friend.
Yesterday, I cooked dinner.
On Monday, I worked all day.
Perfect. These are very useful words.
You know, our weekends were so different.
They were. You had an active social weekend. I had a quieter one.
But we both enjoyed them. That's what matters.
Exactly. Some weekends we need activity, some weekends we need rest.
What kind of weekend do you prefer?
It depends on my mood. If I'm tired from work, I want a quiet weekend. If I feel energetic, I want adventure.
Same. This weekend, I felt energetic, so I went to the beach.
And I needed some nature, so I went hiking.
Sophie, let's do a quick test. I'll say present, you say past.
Ready.
Okay. I eat breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
She goes to work.
She went to work.
We watch a movie.
We watched a movie. Now I'll say present.
Okay.
They play games.
They played games.
He makes coffee.
He made coffee.
Perfect. See, you know these.
This was a nice conversation, Sophie.
It was, and we practiced so much past simple naturally.
You're right. Just by talking about our weekends, we used all these verbs.
That's the best way to learn. Use it in real conversation.
Everyone, just talk about your day, your weekend, what you did yesterday.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
And don't worry about mistakes. We all make them.
Exactly. Just keep practicing. We hope you enjoyed this conversation about weekends.
Now tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Write in the comments. Use past simple. I went, I ate, I visited.
We'd love to hear about your weekends.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
You know what? All this talk about the beach made me hungry. I'm going to make seafood for dinner.
Seafood? Are you going to cook fish at home?
I'm going to try. How hard can it be?
Good luck with that. Don't overcook the fish.
I won't, I promise.
Well, everyone, we'll see you in the next episode.
Have a wonderful week.
Take care, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.